Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventure and welcome to another sneak peek. Yes, this is Rapunzel, or I like to know her as Tangled, Disney's Tangled. This is fantastic. Just a wonderful little snack. It's a 13-inch by 17-inch. How beautiful is this? Brought to you by Diamond Art Club, another Lil Diamondz. And as you can see here, it is a square. It's all inclusive. And look at this box. How gorgeous is this shine? And she's like, oh my goodness, look, I have beautiful blonde hair. The back is going to tell you the contents of the kit. Now this box, full coverage, it's going to have 9 colors, including 1 Aurora Borealis, or as we know it, ABs, and it has 2 fairy dusts. And the box is designed slightly different. If you want to see, it actually opens here from the side. Now this came shrink wrapped, and then it came in a Diamond Art Club box. I just didn't think you would want to see me struggle with the scissors to cut it open. Right? Okay, so I have not opened it yet. Crink, 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 crink. Here we go. Okay, so we are going to open this up and see what we have inside this beautiful packaging. We get the toolkit. What I love about these smaller kits is you still, even in the Lil Diamondz, get these fabulous toolkits. It does have the smaller tray, which are stackable. Here is another tray that I have. Wanted to show you when we open this up. The more of these kits that you get, the more you can stack these. If I can get this out of here. And then they stack on top of each other. Look at that. So as you get more, you can collect them, stack them. You can put the stickers, which I'll show you in a minute, here on the ends. So if they sit here, you can see what colors are in here, and they stack right on top of each other. How beautiful. Okay. So here is your tray, opens up. You have some pink wax in here. You have your 7-placer. You have your stopper in here. And it closes up to keep all your goodies in there. You also have your single placer with the putty already preloaded. And you have your 3-placer, which you can use your pink wax with, or they give you some putty here. And you have your plastic baggies. All right, so we're good to go there. And you've got your kit. Inside, you have your little warranty and insurance card. You do want to register your product within 30 days. Here you go, so that you can have your warranty. And then here's a thank you for your purchase. You do not want to lose this, because when you open it up, dun, 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 here is your beautiful card. This is bronze right here. And these are your treasure cards. Now, some people talk about how they only get bronze in here. I love these, whether I get bronze or whether I get silver or whatever the color is. I love them because I love the artwork on them. They are just absolutely gorgeous as a collector's card. But go check out the site. You'll be able to see what you can get by scratching this off and collecting these. I don't care how many bronze I get, because I love the card itself versus the actual coupon or anything that you get with it as a little extra. This here, you're going to open it up. It does have the Diamond Art Club sticker on it, but inside this is going to be your sticker sheet. So you're going to have a big sticker here, your start and end date. You're also going to have how many colors. You can put this in your journal or in your kit up packaging, and then you've got all of your stickers here. If this is how you want to kit up, you can put these on your baggies or your plastic containers. All right, so we're going to move this out of the way so we can get into the kit itself. So beautiful. For those of you who invest in Diamond Art Club, they do have the patented backing, double lint, so gorgeous. They do have the double stitched, as you can see here. Let me just do the, there you go, the double stitched there, and then there's that lifetime warranty. While we're up close and personal, you can see there the symbols, super clear. You don't necessarily need a light pad. Here's your pasting area. It is a full pasting area. I like this down here in case there's a partial. All right, so we're gonna unroll this. How gorgeous is she? These are so fun. My niece loves diamond painting, and so this is fabulous. These are great for them as well. These are also great to do, and then you could frame them and put them up if you are a Disney fan. These are perfect for maybe a movie room or a Disney room. I love the little diamonds up here. The logo, I haven't seen that lately. So that's something new on these posters. You're gonna have in the upper left a key and in the lower right a key. And again, this has one AB and 2 fairy dust. So the fairy dust are right here, the dark pink and the number 8. Number 8, all her hair looks like this. The blonde is going to be fairy dust. And then the AB is 7. That's going to be the green of her eyes. So we're going to open this up. It says, Rapunzel, whoop, Rapunzel, let down your hair. And it has the SKU number so you can match it up with your kit so you never have to lose it. If you separate it from the kit itself, because you have the SKU down here at the bottom. So we're going to open it and see what's inside. Also, it is poured glue. And this has perforated, so you can rip this. It's a 4x4 square. So if you want to leave the plastic on but only want to do sections, you can tear the perforated areas and only have to worry about a 4x4 area. Okay, so we've got, get close and personal here. Let's, come on, there you go. Come on, come on. There we go, camera. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 tens, and look at how many fairy dust. Now, fairy dust, you can see here is a mica powder. Kind of, it's not glitter. It's almost like an eyeshadow. So 1, 2, 3. We got 3 of those babies. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the skin color, 945s. 1 and 2 of the 741s. And then this is 1 of the mica powder for her sleeve. And it's pretty pink. And then the 5200 white, 3354, and then here's the AB 954 for the eyes. So that's what we got going on for Rapunzel. So cute. Coming out. I can't wait to see what other Disney characters are coming out, because I've got to get somebody to go with her, because otherwise she's going to be lonely. My niece is going to love her, and I need to get her a couple companions to go with her, so my niece will have so much fun. Tell me down below which ones you want to collect and get, and where are you going to put them when you're done, because I think these would be adorable to be framed. Absolutely. Especially they're 32.9 by 42.8. So I think that would be great. What, in a 32 by 42 frame or a 30 by 40 frame? I don't know. I think that would just be perfect. So tell me what you think down below. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.